I like the diagram, yes. That's a good representation.
Yeah, I guess so.
Ooh. Was that wasn't real.
It wasn't real, but can you do it with the real one?
I've done that before, and it's the actual most painful thing ever. It's like they're ripping out part of your brain.
Oh boy, that's why I'm not doing anything.
Yeah.
I have full of.
We got some pseudoscience going on here. Ooh, look at that.
What is this for?
It's an earplug, and then it pulls out all the wax. Apparently, I don't know.
What is this for?
Get the what? Sand gets in your eyes all the time. What do I do?
What the?
Screw the fruit. Get the water.
What?
Okay, yeah. I
Hello?
mean, makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, nail straightener.
You can go to the bathroom and get some water.
You don't have to ruin your fruit, your lunch.
Yep. Okay, but you do.
Iodine, baby powder.
Iodine to what?
I don't know.
What was it?
I think it's so you don't sweat so much. Ugh. Oh, that's like those things, the suction cup things. Ugh.
It's helpful, right?
I don't know.
I don't know what exactly.
We can protect our hairline with some nice sunscreen.
Of course.
All right.
Of course.
I guess. I don't know. Under chest sweats.
That looks legit. I mean,
got some patties, some baby powder.
Yeah.
No more sweat, girl. Yeah. Hard to remove eyelashes? No problem. Use your knuckles. Oh, eye lenses. Ugh.
What did she eat?
It's a pocket toothbrush, so you can.
Pocket toothbrush?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know how good it's gonna be, but it looks cool.
It's like a gum, right?
Yeah.
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum. Yeah, exactly. Towel scrunchies. All right, for avoiding splashage.
Yeah.
If that's a word, I don't believe it is.
Liking what? Splash it.
Wow. She uses so many towels to do her stuff. That's great.
Yeah. That could work, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wet sleeve versus dry sleeve. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
I want that kind of treatment. That sounds good. Scraping your eyes out. Massage oil.
Okay.
Things are getting intense with the massage oil. Okay. Okay.
We're just watching on the massage.
I think anyone could go into a massage parlor and just like get a bunch of oil and just start like all over you, and you wouldn't know.
That would work. I guess so.
And then the real masseuse comes in and she's like, "What are you doing?"
Massage.
Massage.
Yeah. Obviously.
Just a massage. Ooh.
Is it the technique or what they got?
I guess it's to get the blood flowing. You know, you got to get the juices flowing. I know, like there's sinus massage techniques where you can move, you know, the fluids and stuff.
Oh.
So I guess that's it.
It's a sand.
Yeah.
Just imagine. I feel this.
My lunch fell out down on the beach, so I had to eat. Yeah, you're supposed to sleep on your left side always.
On the left side?
Yeah, because it's like better for your stomach apparently.
Oh, I always sleep on the right side.
Ah, so you have bad stomach problems apparently. According to science. Magical powder, get rid of athlete's foot. Sticky feet versus dry feet. Remove your dandruff. Does it look like you've been out in a snowstorm?
Yeah.
Use this dandruff getting rid of technique.
What? Shit.
Yeah, my grandpa does that.
And it helps?
Yeah, it stops you from snoring because you snore when your mouth opens and you're like...
Yeah. I need this.
Yeah? Okay.
Hey there. Whoa.
Bacon.
Bacon.
We got some bacon. Why would you... I don't think so, personally.
Maybe it works, but I would never do this.
Yeah.
But kind of.
And then you eat the bacon afterwards, and you have a little snack.
Bacon.
You got some sinus action going on.
Pork.
Correct technique.
I feel bad.
You're supposed to put your head down when you take your vitamins, I guess. Dry eyes. Eye solution. Okay. 5 minutes.
Well,
Yay! I guess.
so. Actually, you can wash your eye more if you get something there.
Ugh. Okay, that's an interesting diagram. Yeah, food is forced by water. What are they doing? Suction feet technique to release stress from the bottom of your feet, I guess? Or to pull out the negative toxins.
Whoa.
Wow.
You're on the fire!
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yeah.
You're on fire and stuff. Yeah, these are the things I was thinking before. That looks so not cool. It's trending though. It's all over the place.
Yeah, I know, but I still didn't get the
Blech! Why do we have to see that?
I don't know!
That just seems unnecessary to me. Oh, you got a beard? Not anymore.
No. Oh.
Oh,
To achieve a perfect shape.
the perfect line. Wow.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's gonna work actually. I
Yeah.
filmed the same thing.
Okay.
But
Tuk, 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 tuk.
I don't need it. Bus.
Oh, what is this?
Uh-huh.
For your armpits? Visible stretch marks. Use a thigh mask. Reduce stretch marks. Okay. Snacky snacks? Ah. Yeah, I mean, that's just what dentists do, right? That's just like,
Yeah.
go to the dentist's office.
But
Alright, I guess,
give us
go to the
more.
dentist, give us more!
more reactions.
No!